tits. That'd have been a good shot and all. Too late. Him again. I'll get it in now, me again. You turn again. Yeah. Yeah. Him again.
I'll tell you who I am, shall I?
Go on then.
I'm ready for burgers, that's who I am.
Ah.
Spot spoiler, guess what I got for dinner?
Do you want me to bleep that out?
Yeah. No.
Right then, this is where we're going to cook. Jay is camped here, back in the Mountain Sausage Rescue.
Yeah. It's essentially a tarp.
And round to mine.
Enough about my tent. Let's have a look at yours.
Yeah, we're a bit further away in case there's any snoring going on. Look at that for a tent.
Yeah, that's
What a lash up. It's DD Tarp with some of these Prizik knot jobbies going on. I'm hungry, should go and cook.
Yeah, there's nothing else to say anyway, everyone knows what you do.
Yeah,
It's like, oh,
watch all the videos.
It's like, oh, don't tell me he's riding bivvy bikes.
Yeah.
He's tarping up, wondering.
You done?
Yeah.
Just attacking all the features of my channel. Right, come on. Cooking time. We've got some cans to knock over as well. I'll watch.
I'll watch.
Do you want to knock them? And I'll
Yeah.
film them. I'll film them.
Vocation. I haven't tried this one.
Come on,
It's
quick,
orange.
because there's lots of them.
Vocation again. Don't know what that one.
Shipyard. Oh, no, that wasn't even in view, that one. Go ship. Shipyard. In the meantime. Did that work, or should we do it how we normally do it? I can't be asked. Right, let's eat. So I filmed you striking it.
Oh God, I haven't.
Might change, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh shit. Sugar. There you go.
What you done?
Cracked a pissing egg. That's what I did.
There's a world of hurt in there, isn't it?
Honestly, look how brilliantly I packed them.
Tomorrow I'll show you how you pack an egg.
What, in a little egg box?
Yeah. No, not an egg box.
I mean an egg carrier.
Transporter. First one?
No, I had one in the car park. Having a posh burger today. We've got to name these black pudding burgers.
I haven't got a drone yet. There's a left to do. When I hit 1,000 subs, I'll tell a lie. When I hit 500 subs, I'm going to treat myself to a drone.
Well, that's only 147 away.
Not that many. It's very popular, this channel.
Oh,
just ignore that.
Talking about the 500.
Yeah, he meant this channel's got 300 and 54,000 subscribers. Join the gang. Come along on Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking. I'm going to cut all of this.
Dug the pit for the ashes, and we couldn't believe that they were still there. And you think, oh,
Yeah.
I'm curious about what you're doing. Oh, you can do like a burger chili. Should we keep our cans in?
No, I can't be asked.
So many.
We'll
great
keep that for another one.
So, onions. Mountain.
Do some behind the scenes because that video was so bloody popular. What are we doing here then, Jason?
Lift
the lid of life.
There you go.
What does that do then?
I don't know, you did it. I copied it and it works. It melts the cheese, does it?
Yep, good lad. Black pudding there?
Black pudding, Swallington beef burgers.
This is my attempt at goulash, you see.
Ah.
Very watery at the minute. It's probably what happens when you tip half a can of ale in it.
Well, yeah.
Reduce that down for breakfast.
I'll be on walkabout by then.
Oh yeah.
Ow.
That's on, is it?
Yeah.
Well, we're back at a spot we call TT, don't we, mate?
We are indeed.
We won't tell you why it's called that. We are, I'll give you a little look around in a minute. I might even do it now while my goulash is reducing. We are in a little patch of woods here because it's going to be very windy tonight, my man tells me. But it's nice and open out here. And we're going to go for a walkabout out here.
Yeah. Let's interview Jamie.
Hello there.
What are your hobbies? What are your sexual preferences?
Cut.
I've been told I've got to take the camera because, indeed, I didn't film any of his antics. None of his food, which eventually we got eaten, you know.
Didn't let you try any though, did I?
No, did not.
Do you want to show him the can I've made? The candle cans?
Oh, I can't lean in too much or else catch my thing on fire. That's quite a good shot. Oh, that's a good shot. Walkabout.
Walkabout?
Yes.
While it's light?
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
You bring the drink?
I'm going to bring my my nip.
You drink it straight out of the bottle?
Hell yeah.
Excuse me, what? That is cold out here, isn't it? That's the curse of Santon Down-om.
Yeah. Notoriously cold when it's cold and notoriously hot when it's hot, right?
What you found?
I don't know. It's like it's made from that.
It's like reflective
Yeah,
stuff,
it is,
isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah.
And also, there's
Let's see it over there. I wonder if you
I don't know, we can't
get
see
back
it
on
now.
the fire, right? You might be able to line it up with your
Yeah. Oh no, I've just seen it.
No, I haven't.
Sorry about that.
No, it was me. I walked into it.
Yeah, there's a torch over there, which,
It's not moving.
well, no, but
Do could, and then light a fire.
there it is. I don't know what that is because there's nothing over that way. Right, bugger this. Let's get back.
I'd love to be able to smell your fat wood.
Rude, isn't it?
So we're
Is
Jamie's
that fat wood?
You
I
tell
think
me.
it is. Oh yeah, you can see all the...
Yeah.
Do you want some of that in your tent? Make it smell nice. Right, we're going to get a fire on now because it's a bit chilly.
Where's the hot one?
So we've got some birch bark in there and we've got some fat wood. I think that birch bark's going, look.
Yeah.
And I'll see about getting some twigs on that in a minute. We never sorted out what that light was in the woods, did we, either?
No.
I think that's Trex and Tarps.
That'd be amazing.
How funny would that be?
Yeah.
He does a video and he's looking over here saying,
Who the fuck is that?
what the hell is that going on?
Yeah, you can't really see it, but every now and again it's like a Batman signal, but really, really quick, like flashing over.
Yeah, yeah.
So why did you suddenly sink like 6 inches?
You know why? Because my chair's f***ed. You said, give me the camera. How does that work?
You sit
It's
on
expensive as well. Must have been best part of £7. It's only got to get me through the next
hour, not even.
I ain't staying up that late. Just gonna have a warm up before we call it a night. I'm under tarp. We'll see how that goes. I'm off. I'm warm. I'm gonna leg it.
Leg it. Don't touch the tarp.
No, I'm not gonna touch the tarp. Get into here as quickly as possible.
I was just checking up on Jamie because he has set his tarp up quite low tonight and there's a wee bit of damp on the inside. I literally just walked around to see what the neighbours are doing. But I think he's going to be pretty cosy. You got your Rab on under there, haven't you? Yeah. Good setup though.
Might put a pan there to collect the water.
Have you got a hat just in case your head gets cold?
I have got a hat.
God,
in case
that's
my head gets cold. There goes neighbourhood watch. Can you knock next time you do that? Are you in your tent?
No, I'm having another wee.
Oh. Are you in? Right then. That's it tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Morning. I think I can hear him. Go and see if he's up. A decent night's kit. You sleep all right? Oh dear. Oh dear.
I was on a bloody slope. Tim was, and I was. Yeah. One of these days I'll find a flat spot.
I slept really well, like I always do in that thing.
Yeah.
The only problem is, I think I must have had a hillock.
Oh, yeah.
A hillock about that in my back there.
I've got.
You still here?
Coffee on. I think that's a tooth.
Yeah.
It's not nice.
It's a hot tooth.
Hot good.
No ice hockey today then.
No.
Looking good though.
Yeah, it's contained, isn't it?
It is, yeah. You get much more in there, would you?
Nope. Apart from that little bit there. What can I put in there?
I don't know.
What about ghost chili or something?
You could do. Yeah, you certainly wouldn't get another egg in there, would you? Bit of flat grass. Nothing to see. You all packed up?
Yeah, all packed. I'm just sort of double checking I haven't left any pegs.
I probably should have done this when I wasn't brushing my teeth. But, there we are.
And remember, teeth hygiene is important when you're wild.
You got to brush your teeth, haven't you?
Yeah. You don't see that. You don't see that on YouTube, do you? I know you're not seeing it now because it's behind the camera, so I'm not very.
I've already done mornings.
Filled up with water.
Yeah. Righty ho, that is the end of another Jamie Does Wild Bikepacking adventure.
Jason does wild bike packing too, you know.
That was the first. Well, yeah, he does as well. Yeah, he's always there.
Yeah.
Didn't even. That was the first take as well. Right, I'm gonna spin this and probably launch it into the river. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pity we couldn't find a spot down there somewhere, really, isn't it? Yeah. We'll have to hunt for a spot. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.